Hey guys, stay tuned. I'll be showing you all how to conceal your brows. I love you.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Corny. Thanks for stopping by. So today I'll be showing you guys how to conceal your brows. So what we need basically is your angle brush, spoolie brush, eye pencil, concealer, and your foundation. So that's all we need to achieve this. So guys, stay tuned. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up please. Don't forget to drop a comment. Tell me what you would like to see in my next video. Stay tuned guys. Let's go straight to the video.
So guys, after lining your brows, all you have to do is brush your brows with your spoolie brush. So place your concealer on your left hand if you don't have a mixing pan, but if you're left-handed, you place your concealer and your foundation on your right hand. That will do. So next, dip your angle brush into your concealer, back and front. Place it the perfect position where you want to start carving your brows from. Whichever shape you want to achieve at this point, that depends on your concealing skills. So since this video is for beginners, tips you need to know is at all points your concealing brush, the sharp edge has to be in front, like facing your other brows. And your lines has to be straight, like whichever shape you're giving your brows, your lines has to be straight for your brows to be neat. So after concealing the first step, all you have to do is try to make your concealer look neat. So in terms of blending, it will be very easy to blend, like blend out your concealer. You need to make all your corrections at this point. So next, concealing your up brows, you need to use your perfect shade of foundation, like your perfect shade of foundation to conceal your brows without mixing it. You only mix this if it's too dark, but if it's your perfect shade of foundation, then no point mixing it. So when you're about blending it, it will be so easy to blend out. You don't get those white edges, those white stuff at the edge of your brows. So get a lighter shade, like using your Elegant Pro concealer, just a bit. All you have to do is just a stroke there. So that will help give a light finishing. We don't need a box shape in front, so all you need to do is use your spoolie brush, brush out the brows into the concealer you just applied there. To help give a natural look and not too dark brows. Check out the difference. So up next, this is the final step for your brows, is blend out the excess of concealer, like blend it in rather. So for this process, I'm using my Beauty Line by DIDI beauty blender, but if you have a blending brush, that will go. Just blend in the concealer, blend it in properly before moving forward. wait for it. Oh guys, check out my brows. You all need to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Drop your comment, tell me what you like to see in my next video. I love you all.